Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our session on the cellular healing. And let us go ahead and do the preparation for our healing session today. So I want you to sit comfortably with your spine straight and keeping your palms facing upward in your lap. Just go ahead, sit comfortable. Keep your palms facing upward on the lap with your spine straight. Let us go ahead and start the session with an invocation where we are going to invoke all the divine energies and the divine healing presence to be here to heal us for the problems that we're looking for to be solved. So go ahead, sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. If you're comfortable, you may close your eyes. Let us start with the invocation. I invoke the divine presence of the Supreme God, the divine energies, the healing energies to be present here in this moment to help me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. From this moment onwards, I invoke the divine presence of the Supreme God, the divine energies, all the healing masters, healing angels, healing guides, to be present here with me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. I am open and receptive to the healings that I receive in this session. I'm open and receptive to the healings I will receive in this session. Whatever is comfortable for you, you may close your eyes or keep your eyes open. And now, I want you to think of that one issue, one problem, one goal that you want to heal today. I know all of you might have a lot of things to work upon, but for this healing session, I want you to think of one such thing which you want the healing for. It can be for your physical health, it can be for your job, it can be for your business, it can be something that you have as a goal and you want to achieve. Not necessarily you may have a problem, but you may go ahead and think of that one thing which you want to get healed in our session today. Just think of that problem. It can be anxiety, it can be anger, it can be frustration, or it can be a goal that you want to achieve, a better job, a better business, or profits in your business, or health, something that you want to heal for yourself. Just go ahead with your eyes closed. You may think of that one problem or one goal that you want to receive the healing for, or something which is bothering you, which is deeply rooted in your memories. You may bring that incidents, events as well. I'll give you a minute. I'll go silent for a minute where you can bring forward in your mind the thing that you want to heal for yourself. Just go ahead, bring it in your mind. Anything which is bothering you, which is deep hidden within your memories, just bring that in front of you. Be receptive to the healing. And now as you bring this problem, this situation, event in front of you, you can rate this problem or the botheration it is bringing you or the worry it is bringing you on a scale of 0 to 10, which means 10 is the highest, that it is bothering you a lot. It is disturbing your mind. You're not able to sleep because of this thing. You're not able to eat. The level of disturbance is high if you select a rating of 10. If you select a rating of 0, the botheration is not there. It is not really disturbing you. So whatever number that comes to your mind between 0 to 10, just bring that in front of you and just be receptive to the healings. And as you receive the healings, let us now just relax your body. Just mentally observe your head area. If there is any stress, any tension that you feel because of recollecting this memory or because of this problem, let your head area be relaxed. Just mentally say, my head area is now relaxed. I'm receptive to the healing. My forehead, my eyes, nose, ears, cheek, chin, back head is completely receptive to the healing. And then moving slowly down to your throat, just say, I am relaxing my throat and receptive to the healing. We'll go further down. I'm relaxing my shoulders and receptive to the healings. I'm relaxing my arms, my elbows, wrist, my palms. I'm receptive to the healing. I'm relaxing my upper back, middle back, and the lower back, and I'm receptive to the healings being given by Poonam. I relax my chest area, stomach, navel. I'm receptive to the healings. I relax my hip area, my thighs, knee, ankle, feet. Head to toe, I am relaxing and receptive to the healings being given. Just be receptive. And now bring the focus on your heart. Just mentally say, I'm focusing on my heart. I pray from the heart, giving up the end results and willpower and allowing the healing process, the light and love to do their work within me. Just be receptive. I pray from my heart, giving up the end results and the willpower and allowing the process, the light and love to do their work within me. Now, whatever problem you have thought of, let's just say it's for your holistic health and the financial problems. So you're just going to say, I ask for whatever is causing my health and the financial problems to be completely healed at the source. I ask to be released from this problem. I can be freed to be a better person, and that it will be a win-win situation and result for everyone involved in this problem. I pray that all known and unknown negative images, unhealthy beliefs, destructive cellular memories, and all physical issues related to my health and financial problems to be found, opened, and healed by filling me with light, life, and love of the divine healing energies. I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing be increased by 100 times or more. This is for a more powerful healing to happen at every cell of your body. I'll repeat this one more time. Listen to it and focus, and be open to all the ideas and information that you will get for healing for your problems during this session. I ask for whatever is causing my health and financial problems to be completely healed at the source. I ask to be released from this problem so that I can be freed to be a better person, and that it will be a win-win result for everyone involved in this problem. I pray that all known and unknown negative images, unhealthy beliefs, destructive cellular memories, and all physical issues related to my health and financial problems to be found, opened, and healed at every cell of my body by filling each and every cell of my body with the light, life, and love of divine healing energies. With a smile on your face, I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing to be increased by 100 times or more. Just visualize that you're being healed at every cellular part of your body. So every cell of your body is healed. I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing be increased by 100 times or more. Just be receptive. Now, in front of your eyes, if you've closed it, just with your closed eyes, visualize how healthy, fit you are. And now visualize the problem that you had is being solved. Look at the end result, that after this problem is solved, how your life will be. Once this problem is gone, how your life is going to be. Just bring that picture in front of you, that as soon as this problem is healed today, my life is changing positively. My life is changing positively. Now in front of you, just bring that image. This is a very important step, because after this, there will be 3 things which I'll be asking you to do. So visualizing, if you're not able to visualize, then mentally just say that once this problem is gone, I'm going to live a life like a happy person, good relations, happy relations, moving around, traveling around, living with people that I love the most. So you can mentally talk to yourself. If you're not able to see the image, then mentally talk to yourself about how your life is changing after this one problem is healed. Now, during this healing, if you feel that any point of time, if there have been any memories associated with the pain, just mentally say that from every cell of my body, I release all these painful memories. Now, what I want you to do is you slowly and gradually come back to the room that you are. Just open your eyes. And I'm going to show you a position. Okay. So what you have to do is use any hand of yours, left or right. Okay. And at the center of your chest over here, you may rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. So all of you take this position. Okay. So take this position at the center. You may rotate it clockwise or you may rotate it anti-clockwise, because now what we are going to do is we are going to heal three major important points in your body where these memories are stored a lot, and this will help you to release yourself. So choose any hand, choose one hand, the other hand you can keep it into a receiving position, and gently, if you can, either you touch your body and slightly do it like a gentle massage. If you can touch your body, don't really rub hard, don't harm yourself, or you can keep a little gap and then just heal. So you may rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever is comfortable. So just start this, rotating your hands, move your hands into the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Keep doing it until I don't tell you to stop, because you just have to listen to what I'm now going to say. Now, as you focus on your problem, just mentally say that I release this problem from my heart chakra and I relax my images of love and light to be projected into my heart chakra. Just keep doing that. You may do it slowly as well. Just go slowly so you can feel the energies, and you will start feeling sensations at your chest, which will help you to release all the painful memories. So I release all my painful memories from here, and I request the divine energies to heal me. And this problem is healed at all levels, and it is filling me with light, life, and love of the divine healing energies. I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing be increased by 100 times or more. Continue doing this at your heart chakra while you listen to what I'm saying. I move joyfully towards whatever creates health and balance in my life. I can play my part in the balance of life by living a balanced life. I'm able to move forward with openness, confidence, and joy. I can step out to accomplish things, and life will support me. When I make my own choices and take care of my needs, life feels good. I'm as strong and capable as I believe I am, and I'm achieving my goals. Continue doing this for another minute. You'll start feeling a lot of relaxation as you are now releasing the memories from your heart. All these painful memories are getting released from your heart as you rotate your hand clockwise or anti-clockwise. With a loving energy, bring a smile on your face and just say that now I am ready to release all the painful memories. And I welcome the positive changes and shifts. And this was going to heal you at your cellular level, because a lot of things are stored within our heart and you want to release that. Continue doing this for another minute more. Now, as you continue doing this, you will start feeling that the energies which were causing the pain are getting released. And this position will help you to bring in more comfort and healing. And be receptive. Just say, I'm open and receptive to the healings being given by Poonam. I'm ready to release all these painful memories from my cells and replace it with all the positive energies. I request and pray that the effectiveness of these healings be increased by 100 times or more. Now, as you release it from your heart, you'll feel much better and lighter. And these are the techniques which you can even do every day to release those painful memories from every cell of your body and bring faster healings. And now I want you to take the position. We are going to do the second place of the healing. The second place is going to be your third eye chakra, okay, which is between the two eyebrows. You may gently touch it with your tips of the finger. You may rotate it in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you can touch your skin if you are comfortable, or as I said, keep a slight little distance and then you can just rotate it. You may rotate it slowly to feel the energies. Don't rotate it fast like you're rubbing. Go slowly clockwise. You will start feeling sensations within your body. This is another important chakra because here your will to release would be there, where you are willing to release all these painful memories from your third eye chakra. So just rotate it in the clockwise, continue doing it. As you're releasing these painful memories, be receptive to the healings. You may bring forward all those painful memories and mentally say, I release these painful memories. I ask for whatever is causing these problems to be completely healed at the source. I ask to be released from this problem so that I can be freed to be a better person, and that it will be a win-win situation for everyone involved. Continue doing it. I pray that all the known and unknown negative images, unhealthy beliefs, destructive cellular memories, and physical issues related to this problem be found, opened, and healed by filling me with the light, life, and love of the divine energies. I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing be increased by 100 times. Continue doing it. You'll start feeling a release of tension from your body. Some of you may also get some thoughts and ideas to help excel, live a better life, and how to overcome and be out of this problem that you have chosen to heal today. Just be receptive. I move joyfully towards whatever creates health and balance in my life. I can play my part in the balance of life by living a balanced life. I'm able to move forward with openness, confidence, and joy. I can step out to accomplish things and life will support me. When I make my own choices and take care of my needs, life feels good. I am as strong and capable as I believe I am. Continue rotating your hands with the intention that I'm releasing all the deeper memories from myself, from my third eye, and it has been replaced with all the positive, charged up energies to help me achieve my goal or the solution to the problem that you have chosen today. Just be receptive. Continue doing it because this is one of the important chakra. And if you feel like switching the direction, you may switch it. Like if you're doing clockwise and if you feel like, no, now I have to do it anti-clockwise, it's okay. Just follow your heart. We're going to spend 1 more minute on this part of the healing at the third eye chakra. Just be receptive, let the healing energies flow in. And as you do it slowly and gradually, you will start feeling the power of the energies. Let the energies flow in. Just be receptive to all the energies flowing in. Feel the power of these energies. A lot of power is flowing in. And as you release the painful energies and memories, you're feeling much lighter and much happier. And now we are going to move to the next part of the position, the third most important part, which is the top of your head. This is the crown chakra, which holds in a lot of divine connection and energy. So you have to also work on healing this part of your chakra, this part of your body, so that you start getting the guidance and support from the divine energies. So again, you may rotate it clockwise. If you feel like, you may go ahead and rotate it anti-clockwise. Do it very slowly and gently so you can feel the energies. And let us just go ahead and say, I release all the painful energies, memories from myself associated with this problem, whatever problem you have chosen. Let that go. You may move it clockwise, anti-clockwise, and if you feel like changing the direction in between, it's okay. Just follow your heart. I ask for whatever is causing my problem. You may name your problem. I ask for whatever is causing my health and financial problems, business, career problems, to be completely healed at the source. I ask to be released from this problem so I can be freed to be a better person, that it will be a win-win result for everyone involved. I pray that all known and unknown negative images, unhealthy beliefs, destructive cellular memories, and all physical issues related to my health and financial problem, business problem, career problem, relation problems be found, opened, and healed by filling me with light, life, and love of divine healing energies. I also pray that the effectiveness of this healing be increased by 100 times or more. Let that energy flow in. I move joyfully towards whatever creates health and balance in my life. I can play my part in the balance of my life by living a balanced life. I am able to move forward with openness, confidence, and joy. I can step out to accomplish things and life will support me. When I make my own choices and take care of my needs, life feels good. I am as strong and capable as I believe I am. Now you may bring your hands down. Keep them in the receptive positions. Keep it in the receptive position and be receptive to the healings. I'm open and receptive to the healings being given by Poonam. I feel the flow of the divine energies entering into every cell of my body. I'm happy and receptive to the healings. And from this moment onwards, every cell of my body is being guided with all the positive changes and shifts. Be receptive. And one last time, just visualize, mentally say to yourself all the positive things that you would like to materialize in your life from this moment onwards. Mentally tell yourself all those positive things that you want to bring in your life right now. Be receptive to the healings as I give it to them, give it to you all in this moment. I thank the Supreme God, the divine energies, to be with me always, to heal me, guide me, and protect me. I am thankful for all the health and wealth that I have with me. I'm thankful for all the relations that I have with me. I'm thankful for everything that I have in my life. I'm living a positive, happy, healthy life. I bless everyone around me with good health, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy. I bless everyone around me with good health, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy. Each and every cell of my body is replaced with all the positive energies. Every cell of my body is full of the positive energies, and I am radiating loving, kind, positive energies to everyone around me. And as I radiate loving, kind, positive energies to everyone around me, I see my goals, my dreams being fulfilled right now in this moment. I bless everyone around me with this loving, kind energies, happiness, joy, abundance, and prosperity. And now I would want you to come back to the room that you are in. Just come back to the room that you are in. Gently rub your palms. and massage your face very gently, as if every part of your body, you're giving this energies that we have gathered today in the session. Your forehead, your head, neck, your face, your ears, your throat. Very gently massage and just feel as if every cell of your body is absorbing this positive energies, and mentally just say, I'm healed and I'm achieving the solution that I have. Massage your hands, your neck, upper back, shoulders, middle, lower. If you are feeling pain in any part of your body, you may gently massage that part of the body as well with the energies. Your stomach area, your thighs, both right and left, your knee, your ankles, your calf muscles, and your feet. And just mentally say that I am now connected with these divine energies, which are healing me constantly. Every cell of my body gets functioned perfectly fine. I'm living a happy, healthy, abundant, and a prosperous life. I'm living a happy, healthy, abundant, and a prosperous life. Awesome. So with that, we complete our session for today. Let me give you the permissions to unmute yourself. Okay. So all the participants are now unmuted. In case if you have any questions or any reflections to share, just go ahead, share it in the chat window or you may unmute yourself and talk about it. Thanks a lot, Sachin. Thank you. Great. Thanks, Meera. Feeling happy and relaxed. Awesome.
Poonamji, I could actually. Hello, am I audible?
Mandar, your voice is too low. Can you be a little bit louder or closer to the mic?
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, slightly better. Yes.
Yeah, Poonamji, I just wanted to tell that the feeling was awesome as usual, but I could actually visualize all the goals, and more importantly, I could visualize it in the present. I mean, as if I'm living in that goal. Awesome, awesome.
Great. Thanks, Mandar. It's really nice to see that. Okay.
Yeah.
Felt strong vibrations throughout the session and warmth, feeling good. Thanks a lot, Richard. Doing really good and feeling happy. Thanks. I see people talking about thank you, feeling relaxed. Awesome as always. Thank you. Feeling relaxed and stress-free. Thanks a ton for the session. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
It's too good for me, but मुझे ना सिर थोड़ा भारी लग रहा है. It's
सर थोड़ा भारी लग रहा है तो उसका मतलब ये है कि आपका हीलिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो चुका है और सेल लेवल पर हीलिंग्स हो रही है. सो योर हीलिंग इज हैपनिंग एट द सेल लेवल नाउ. पानी पीजिएगा और थोड़ी देर 5-10 मिनट आप आराम से लेट जाइए. सो जस्ट हैव सम वाटर एंड लाई डाउन रिलैक्स्ड.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Nathan.
Hey, hi Poonam. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. You need to be a little louder, Surbi, just.
Okay. Yeah, so while massaging, my hands were like trembling like this when I was massaging. And I was having pain in my arms as well as my lower back. But now at the end of the session, after giving the energy, I'm feeling quite relaxed.
That's good. So you're feeling a bit relaxed now. So what you can also do now, Surbhi, is you can just go ahead, lie down or sit relaxed. Just absorb all the energies that you have gathered, so that if you're still feeling any pain in any part of the body, you'll feel more relaxed.
Okay.
Yeah. So many of you might feel sleepy or feel like crying. Just go ahead, let your emotions flow out. If you're feeling sleepy, go ahead and lie down for a few minutes so that you can feel much better and relaxed. Okay, so thank you for. Okay, Rohini, you're attending it for the first time and you're feeling positive. Thanks a lot. Great. Ashwini feeling happy and relaxed. Nice to see that a lot of them were attending it here for the first time today. Thanks, Kiran, feeling better and relaxed. Thanks a lot, Mangal, for this. Feeling great. Thanks. Okay, great. Feeling vibrations even now in your crown chakra. Yes, that's going to be there. So people who are feeling this energies, just lie down and sit relaxed for some more time, so that you can absorb these energies. Because as I said today, we went ahead and did a lot of deeper healings. And while I was doing the healing, I also asked you to do certain activity so that you can feel more energies and charge up yourself. And you can practice this every day to feel it much better. Great. Awesome. So with that, if there are no further questions, I'm here for some more time so that if you have any questions, I can answer them. Thanks, Supriya. So first time experience feeling energized with positive vibrations. Thank you. Thanks, Reena. Thank you. Feeling great.
Can such healing be done for other chakras as well?
Yes, healing can be done for the other chakras as well, Surbhi. You can follow the same process of releasing the memories. But today we focused on the three major things because a lot of our feelings are stored, or the pain is there in our heart, the memories are stored out here, and then the energies that we need to connect with the divine are not getting connected. So that's why we chose today these three major chakras to heal it faster. And you
Thank
can give
you.
it to other chakras as well as time permits for you.
Thank you, Poonam.
Thanks a
Myself,
lot.
myself Patil, SR Patil.
Hello, Patil sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you for giving a very nice lecture. I am feeling energetic for listening and actually observing all those things. It is very wonderful thing. So,
Thank you, Patil sir. Great. Mohit says feeling relaxed. Thanks a lot.
Poonam,
Yes.
when I sit in cross-legged position,
Yeah.
my legs go numb after 5 minutes or so. I need to change a position a little bit, and then I get some tingling sensation, and I cannot move for 5 or 10 minutes or so. Then again, I come back to normal. So,
Okay.
what should I do for that so that I'm able to sit longer in that position or so?
So, Bharti, are you sitting with your legs folded or are you seated on the chair?
No, I'm sitting on a mat on my floor,
Okay, so with your legs folded like a Padmasana, you're sitting, right?
a cross-leg
Yeah,
position.
cross leg position. So generally what you will have to do, Bharti, before you get into that position, you may want to just do a little warm up for yourself, because so that the blood flows in your body, and you need to feel that energy. So you can just do like a few jumping jacks, squats, lunges, or any form of yogasanas that you can before you start for your meditation, or you sit in the Padmasana, so that the flow of the blood is being there within your body. So
Okay, because even if I sit on chair, na, the
yeah,
same thing happens. I have tried sitting on chair or on sofa also, but the
right.
same thing happens.
So is it only during the meditation or is it irrespective?
Anytime, anytime, anytime. If I sit for lunch also on chair,
Right.
the same happens.
Okay. So that's primarily because the flow of the blood is not happening. So you need to make sure that your exercise and energies are rotating in your body.
Okay.
So observe your exercise pattern, and if you have been exercising or not exercising, then just start getting. Make sure throughout the day you have a few 5 minutes of a walk, so that your body energies move up and down.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And one more thing, whenever I sit for meditation, like I have to visualize and I can visualize, but that light at my third eye does not appear automatically.
It would not see when the light at the third eye generally would come in with a lot of practice and with a lot of focus and concentration. Okay,
Okay.
and if you're practicing daily with focus and concentration, you will be eventually able to focus a light at your third eye, but that requires really a regular, consistent practice every day. Even if it means 5 minutes every day, if you're able to just close your eyes and bring your attention to your third eye. I think in one of these sessions I had told about it that many times it's very difficult for people to close the eyes and then bring the attention over on the third eye. So what I had also said that was just you can bring your thumb at an eye level and slightly take it above and then visualize that this is the point that you're looking at. Close your eyes and mentally bring that point. And that's where you will be able to bring your focus on the third eye. So when you're able to practice this even 5 minutes daily and eventually increase, you will start feeling those energies and the light that you're talking about, Karthik. And for a lot of them who have been hearing it for the first time, generally with a lot of meditation practice or with a lot of focus and concentration practices, you start observing the light within your own body, where you can start feeling your own energies internally.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Pati. Thank you, Dipali. Feeling much more relaxed. Different dimensions of feeling. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Smita. Awesome. So great, everybody. I am here for another minute. So in case if you have any questions, let me know. If not, feel free to reach out to me and we will see again next month with yet another session. And the recordings of all the previous sessions are being made available on the YouTube. So once I upload this, I will send the link, the playlist itself. So you can go back and listen to all the previous recordings as well until we meet next time. So thank you, everyone. Take care and stay safe. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.